Using the 20 plus software products included in the AEC Collection, you can utilise workflows between software to produce high quality building designs. You can start your building design using Format Pro. Format Pro enables you to model your sketch design by extruding your sketch layouts. Geolocate your site to perform solar and shadow analysis driven by accurate local weather information. Import your format model into Revit to create your 2D drawings and 3D BIM model. Use your Revit model to create realistic renders using Autodesk Cloud Render or in-product Revit rendering. You can also use 3D Studio Max for high quality render and animation models, or using Revit Live you can create a one-click virtual reality model direct from Revit. This enables you to display your design in a walkthrough environment using your desktop or virtual reality headset as an option. Perform daylight and energy analysis using Autodesk Insight to determine glazing ratios, artificial lighting locations, or the need for sun shading on windows. Produce schedules of floor areas and material quantities using Revit scheduling tools. This enables quantity surveyors or estimators to cross-check their own information with the BIM information. Export any of your Revit drawings to AutoCAD for sharing with other consultants in DWG format, or import DWG for modelling in 2D CAD information. You can also use AutoCAD as part of the AEC Collection for producing drawings, or import site context using InfraWorks or Civil 3D for road and street layouts within the vicinity of your building design. With Dynamo Studio, automate repetitive tasks such as sheet renaming or sheet creation, or import and explore laser scan point clouds using Autodesk Recap Pro. Export your design to Navisworks to perform clash detection between consultants' BIM models, and avoid physical clashes occurring on site with a high cost for reworked labour and materials. Simulate your design's construction schedule using the Navisworks 4D Timeliner, and perform structural analysis using Robot Structure Analysis. Push all of your design information for reuse at construction stage using BIM 360 cloud solutions.